This one's a bit of a complicated one, so bear with me. YouTube's reach metrics just changed, and there's also some new music for photo posts. So, YouTube did have its recent Creator Summit in California, and at that Creator Summit, they introduced a new metric called unique reach. This is a new metric that exists alongside unique viewers. So, it's an additional metric, it's not replacing anything. And the idea of this unique reach metric is to better account for co-viewing. So that means if you're watching YouTube with somebody else, this is because they're obviously noticing a huge rise in YouTube viewers due to connected TVs, smart TVs. So there'll be watch parties, people will gather around and watch YouTube clips together, maybe do exercise videos together or watch comedy together. And so they wanted to create a new metric that really does account for this co-viewing that we're beginning to see a lot more of on YouTube. So the example is if a viewer watches a video on their phone 3 times, it's counted as 3 views, but only one unique viewer. However, if that user watches the same video on a TV alongside 2 friends, it counts as 1 view, but 3 co-views or 3 unique reaches, because they are assuming there that because you're watching it on a TV, and they'll also look at other predictive models like demographics, video genre, and time of day, they will estimate whether you're likely to be joined by other people or not. And they will suggest that that unique reach is slightly higher because they're assuming that you're watching with some friends. So these estimates are validated against industry measurement standards from partners like Nielsen to ensure that they reflect real world data and they don't inflate the figures too much. But ultimately, this new metric aligns with traditional TV and advertising standards, giving creators the back-end data they need to demonstrate their total audience impact to brand partners and negotiate sponsor rates. So in the same way that Boots, for example, Boots is a UK retailer for pharmaceuticals. They might be given some predictive numbers around how many people ITV, which is a channel here in the UK, thinks Boots can reach with a television commercial at a certain time. YouTube is now offering the same sorts of industry metrics for creators to be able to say, I think I'd be able to reach X amount of people with my videos. So again, it's supporting the creators, supporting them to negotiate better rates with brand partners. And as marketers, that's definitely something to begin to ask for in terms of unique reach data if you're working with any YouTube content creators. You can see on the right-hand side here, unique reach has already begun to start showing in terms of your metrics in your YouTube analytics as well. Another announcement that came from YouTube is that creators can now add custom audio to image posts and carousels displayed within the Shorts feed. So yes, Shorts does support images and carousels now. Some of us might not have realized that. Creators can now upload 10 photos in a single carousel and pair them with music selected from the YouTube audio library. This update functions similarly to how Instagram displays carousels amongst Reels in its main feed and is designed to give creators a new way to build connections within the YouTube community. So again, it just looks like Shorts is beginning to mirror some of the features which Meta, Stories, and Reels are offering. So interesting to see YouTube kind of catch up with Meta in that respect.